Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Smartsheet sales CRM tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open your Smartsheet account and log in. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Click on the Solutions tab in the top menu. Select Sales CRM from the drop-down options. You will see a variety of templates available for sales CRM tracking. Choose a template that best fits your business needs. Click on the selected template to view its details. In the top right corner, click on the Use Template button. You will be directed to a new sheet created from the template. Now, familiarize yourself with the fields provided in the template. Edit the default columns to match your sales process. Adjust the column names by double-clicking on each header. Consider adding fields for lead status, contact details, and next steps. To add a new column, click on the plus icon next to the last column. Name the new column according to your requirements. To replace any default field, simply click on it and input your own data. After adjusting your columns, start inputting your data. You can manually enter potential leads in each row. For bulk uploads, click on File in the top menu. Select Import and choose the appropriate file format. Follow the prompts to map your data correctly. Next, set up automated alerts for follow-ups. Click on the Automation tab located in the menu. Select Manage Rules and then click on Plus New Rule. Choose triggers that suit your workflow, such as when a status changes. Define the actions to take, such as sending email reminders. After setting up your automation rules, save changes. Consider incorporating filters to view specific subsets of your data. Click on the filter icon at the top of the sheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.